Happy Pink Halloween. I almost didn't publish this video. You see, it was recorded October of 2019, which means I had just completed my treatment about a month before. So anyone who has gone through the breast cancer treatment plan of chemotherapy, radiation, multiple surgeries, medications, you'll know that it takes a toll on you and it makes you kind of tired. So I did these pumpkins last year, and originally I thought they would turn out fine, but there were kind of shortcuts that I took and things that I probably could have done better. And so when I finished them, I saw the flaws. That's all I could see, is all the flaws on them. They were still pretty, but all I could see was the flaws. So I never published this. But now, a year later, looking back at it, number one, it's not as flawed as I thought they were. And number two, what a good lesson for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, where we, all survivors must realize that we have to accept our flaws and we have to work with them and do the best we can. So I actually look at this as a pretty inspirational video now, and I was going to do this craft over using primer so that I would get better coating with the paint, or maybe use a better paint, and ultimately, it's fine. Everything's fine. It's okay. It's all right for everything not to be perfect all the time, just like us. So these are the Styrofoam pumpkins. These ones came from the dollar store, and I decided to paint them. And I had some beaded letters that I decided to put little things, keep fighting, and it's Happy Pink October on them. I mean, Happy Pink Halloween. Yeah, that's what it was. And this is the easiest way to glue it together. Just like put a line of glue and then stick the beads in it. That seemed to be the easiest way. One of them is decorated with pearls, and the other one I decided to put pink beads on it. And ultimately, I think it turned out pretty okay. So let me know in the comments what you think. Oh yeah, and if you're enjoying this video, feel free to leave a like if you like our crafts. If you love the crafts that we're doing, don't forget to subscribe. I do have another video that has some more creepy looking Styrofoam pumpkins that I did. I believe that was like the year before, 2018. Those are black. So I'll leave a link for that in the video as well. I also glued on some bows, nice pink ribbons to this pumpkin. This also kind of teaches the lesson that we try to promote here at Maaa, which is, if we can do it, so can you. So I'm pretty sure you could probably do a better job on these pumpkins than I did at the time. And if you happen to do it, you can share your craft with us. Hashtag Maaa, hey. And you can share it on Facebook or Instagram. We're on both of those, or Twitter. Oh yeah, I forgot. I also took some leaves from some fake flowers that I had already used the flowers for, and I glued them on the top of the stem, which I had painted the stems. And I think later I kind of highlighted them with paint as well. I don't really remember. But here's where I'm gluing on the beads. Okay, thank you. Happy Breast Cancer Awareness Month and happy Halloween. Here comes the final reveal. Dun, da, da, da. I hope you like it.